guys, thanks for coming back to the channel. Today's time for another unboxing. Guess what I finally got? My FabFitFun winter edit. I feel like I've been waiting for this forever. I ordered it, I want to say I placed the order at the very beginning of January, and it even charged out on January 7th, but you knew it wasn't going to ship for a while. And it finally shipped and I got it. And the beauty of this is, as an unboxing, I don't even remember what's in here. I didn't go back and look, so I would be just as surprised. So I'm very anxious to get in here and see what we've got. So let's do it. So how are you guys doing today? Did you do the winter edit? Have you gotten your boxes? Am I very late in getting this? I feel like it's kind of late, but I had so much else going on that I didn't worry about it. So that's kind of nice. So let's see. I got lots of these. Oh, I got lots of little stuff apparently. So in their edit sales that they do after each of their seasonal boxes, they take a lot of the items that they have around and they mark them drastically down, like 70–80%, some of them. And there's makeup and skincare and home products. And I only mention that because as I look in the box, I see one unusual home product that we'll get to, but let's see what we've got. All right, for starters, chlorine. And this isn't even for me. It's for my mom. It is the chlorine shampoo and conditioner in the peony, and it is an anti-irritant. And I got that for my mom because she has more irritated scalp. These are huge. It was $21. I think that was more than half off of what their regular price would have been. So that was a great deal. Okay, what's next? A big jug. It is Grown Alchemist body cream in Mandarin rosemary leaf. This is another one of the big jugs, and this was, I wish I had looked these up. This was like $17 and it's normally $79 or something. It was a very good sale. It's 16 ounces. Let's see what it smells like. See if we can open it. I thought if it was and I drew this conclusion simply because it was brown, but I figured if it was too masculine, I'd have my husband use it. Oh, can you tell? It's yellow. Oh, it's much more Mandarin than, what's the other scent? Oh, it's soaked right in. Mandarin rosemary. Nope, I don't even smell the rosemary. It might be giving a little bit of a green background, but I don't even smell the rosemary. It's mostly Mandarin. And it doesn't look, oh, it smells so good. Very nice. We'll see how that absorbs. Okay, next, makeup. It's a Tracy lip treatment balm. It looked so cute. It was like $5. Oh, how cute is that? Screws up. Oh, so it's basically like an EOS balm. I have lips on, so oh, you know what? They're dried down. Yeah. Just a lip balm. Look how cute is that? That is so cute. I love it. Okay, what's next? I have a Dirty Lamb Lip Rocks. This is a lip scrub right here in the winter. It is so dry out there that I always need to be scrubbing at my lips. Although I will tell you, I have been using the Laneige lip sleeping mask and my lips have been staying pretty moist, so. Oh, it's nice. It just smells kind of vanilla-y and minty. And it is literally just the dry parts. Very cool. Oh, it smells really nice and minty. Can't wait to use that. Okay, what do we have next? Oh, this is that unusual household product that I talked about. I have heard people talk about this in the past, Poo Pourri, and I want to give it a shot. They say that if you spray it in your toilet before you go, that it never smells in the bathroom. In a house full of people, this is a great idea. I got it in the Lavender Vanilla. No, I don't think I want to spray it in here. A tough decision there for a second. Okay, next I got Love AJ. I think this might be a necklace. I think that's my recollection. I don't generally do earrings because I can't wear costume earrings. Oh, goodness. It's kind of... I can't wear costume earrings because I have such sensitive ears, so I always lean toward the necklaces. And I just thought this was, it's in rose gold, and it's just, I just thought it was really pretty. Let's see. Let's put it on and see. don't wear a lot of rose gold, but I like rose gold. Oh, it's got 3 little, I don't know if you could see that. It's got 3 little stones in the, very pretty. It's very pretty. This is not the necklace for it. Obviously, I have a great big cowl on, but that is very pretty. I like it. Leave it for now. All right, next we have, I don't know yet. Oh, right, this is, I don't know anything about this. This is Noto Hair and Body Oil. It's a ginger oil. I saw that, I went on and checked out, when I purchased it, I went on and checked out their website, and I saw that they did a lot of non-gender specific products. And I thought that was a pretty cool idea. And this is, like I said, a hair and body oil. Let's see what it smells like. I just washed my hair, so I don't know. I have very thin hair. I didn't actually specifically buy it for my hair, but I want something that I could keep in the shower. So, you know, when you get out of the shower, and they always say oil up right away, and you never do. I thought if I kept this right there, I could do that. Ooh. It is kind of green in color. Oh, it's very strong. I don't know. It's kind of lavendery. Probably gonna regret this. It is lavendery. It's mostly what I get. There's something in the background that is smoky. Let's see what they say that is. I have to glass up for this. Vetiver. They say it's organic hemp oil, vetiver, lavender, the perfect harmony between the strong and soft of everything in between. Organic hemp oil sinks deeply into the skin or hair, leaving you nourished and soft. Vetiver and lavender mix to create a smoky yet sweet aroma. I'm feeling kind of proud about throwing that smoky thing out. And it is. It's kind of smoky and sweet. I think either me or my husband would wear this, so good for them for being right on brand. I think it is non-gender specific. Okay. What else have we got? Another oil. It might be the middle of winter. I might have been ordering based on that. This is, I'm going to get this wrong. Marianela. That's a lot of words that I don't know. Marianela. Imperial Jade Body Oil with Mangango and pomegranate oil. I think I ordered this just so I could embarrass myself on the YouTube. Because I'm 80. It says its fragrance is Moroccan fig and bergamot, and its ingredients are grapeseed oil, apricot kernel oil, argan oil, marula oil, mangango oil, pomegranate oil, fragrance, vitamin E, and phenoxyethanol. Okay, it says that this oil is anti-aging and will moisturize and soothe your skin. I don't know how much more scent I can take today, so I think we're going to skip scenting this. But it is the Marianela. Did I say that right? Like I knew. Marianela Imperial Jade Body Oil. And it is 4 ounces. This is another one that was like $10, and it was like $69 or something online. It was crazy. But like I said, I'm in a very oil season right now. And last but not least, I have 2 contour palettes. One for the face and one for the lips. This is, believe it or not, the bigger one is the lip one, and it's Aesthetica Lip Contour. It's big. It comes with a big booklet and your contour set. Let's look at the contour set first. Ooh. Pictures of how to look. The lip colors, very pretty. So there are 6 lip colors, 2 double-ended lip pencils, and a lip brush. And they're going to show me, I imagine, what to do. This is going to be big lips. But pretty colors, though. Let's pick one. Let's pick one. Let's try this pink. Let's see how. Oh, so they're nicely colored. Oh, wow, that's, I think you blend these and you end up with well contoured, awesome lips. I cannot wait to see how this works. The book, it's a book of instructions. how to make yourself have all those different kinds of lips. I suspect this is the one that I will lean into. Do people still overdraw your lips? I don't know if they do. I have such thin lips that I always want them to be bigger, but whenever I overdraw them, I feel like they look ridiculous. Okay, and last but not least, I have the contour set from Aesthetica for the face. All right, the Aesthetica Contour Series Powder. Oh, these are great colors. Totally feel like I can use these colors. They look a little yellower on screen, on that camera, as does my hand. I'm closer to actually this color. If I pull back, does that help a little bit? I think it might. These are great colors. I always worry when I buy contour colors that they're going to be way too dark. Oh, and they've given me a map to where to put all of the different colors. This is going to be very interesting. I have a problem with contouring that goes way back. I have always been so incredibly pale that I've always been afraid of contour. And I've just started using a little bit. But I feel like maybe if I taught myself how to do it and I had a better grip on how it was supposed to work, I would do it more. So I have a book of instructions for this too. I have to study now. I have to go. I have lips and face to study for. I mean, I will be the contour queen. That is it. That is my winter fall edit from FabFitFun. So I got the Aesthetica contour for face, the Aesthetica contour for lips, the Marianela Imperial Jade oil, the Noto, a ginger oil, the Poo Pourri Lavender Vanilla, the cute little Trestique lip balm, the huge chlorine shampoo and conditioner. I did not realize it was this much. The Dirty Lamb lip scrub and the Grown Alchemist body cream. So that is it. So that was kind of fun. I had forgotten what I had actually even ordered. It's a great time of year for all these creams and oils, and they smell so great. And I think my husband would even use this one, although it leans toward the Mandarin. It has that rosemary in it that I suspect is what takes it down from being too sweet. So thanks for coming by, guys. Please like and subscribe. I will have more unboxings. I'm waiting patiently for my Allure box, which everybody in the whole world seems to have gotten but me. I want to try that vitamin C turmeric oil. Did you do the winter edit? How long have you had yours? What did you get? There's so many products when they first put it up. It's so hard to make the decision because you feel like you want it all, and you know you don't need it all, but you want it all. What did you get? Comment below. All right, guys, have a great weekend.